To verify your domain on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the online store settings. In the store settings, click on Domains and then add a domain. Enter the domain you want to verify, such as example.com, and select Verify Connection. Shopify will then provide you with a TXT record that you need to add to your domain settings with your domain provider. This TXT record is used to verify that you own the domain. To add the TXT record, log into your domain provider account and navigate to the DNS settings. In the DNS settings, create a new TXT record and enter the details provided by Shopify. The name field should be left blank. The type field should be set to TXT. And the value field should be set to the TXT record provided by Shopify. The TTL field can be set to the default value. Once you have added the TXT record, go back to Shopify and click on Verify Connection. Shopify will then check for the TXT record and verify that you own the domain. This process can take a few minutes to complete, so be patient. After your domain has been verified, you can set it as the primary domain for your Shopify store. To do this, click on the three dots next to the domain and select Set as Primary. This will make your verified domain the main domain for your Shopify store. It is essential to verify your domain on Shopify to ensure that your store is secure and trusted by customers. Verifying your domain also allows you to use a custom domain for your store, which can improve your brand identity and make your store more professional. In conclusion, verifying your domain on Shopify is a straightforward process that requires you to add a TXT record to your domain settings and then verify the connection in Shopify. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Shopify store is secure and trusted by customers.